Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika Mathur and I'm an astrologer, numerologist, Vastu consultant and a life coach. Today in this video we are going to talk about the Virgo ascendants people, and I have already made previous videos from Aries till Leo. So in case you are an ascendant of Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer or Leo, you can go to that playlist and you can watch those videos. And in case you don't know which ascendant you are, no problem, you can just put in the comment section your place of birth, date of birth, time of birth along with your full name, and I'll get back to you telling you which ascendant you are. So guys, the easiest way to understand a Virgo ascendant is to understand the 6th house. I have already made a video on what exactly is 6th house. You can go here and watch that video first so that you're clear about what are the qualities of a 6th house. So Virgo ascendant people will have all the quality of a 6th house because 6th house is coming in the ascendant now. Let us try to understand what exactly is an ascendant. Many people get confused with the zodiac sign and ascendant, but the reality is that zodiac sign, I have already made a myth about it. It's a video about it that it's a myth. People cannot assess what their entire life is based on the date of birth only. We do take other birth details also to see what is an ascendant and what is the kundli like, what is your personal horoscope like. So ascendant is the time when you are born, that time from the east horizon. Horizon is the place where the land and the sky meet. That is the place, the planet that is rising from the east side of when you're born. So that becomes exactly the ascendant that you're born with. So let's say when you were born, there was Aries rising from the east, or there was Pisces rising from the east. That is the ascendant that you become. If Virgo was rising from the east, you become a Virgo ascendant. So Virgo ascendant people will have 6th house quality. Now 6th house basically is the house of challenges, debts, daily routine, health regimes. It is the house of competition. So now it may sound that Virgo ascendant people have a very difficult life and a terrible life, but it's not true. Yes, they go through a lot of challenges in life. They do have to face a lot in life before they actually get what they are looking for, because they see the challenges first, they face the challenges first. You will see, if you're a Virgo ascendant, you're going to see that you're going to have a cupboard in your house and that will be full of medicines. You can type below and you can mention in your comment section about this. So Virgo ascendants will have to, they will have this kind of medicine, and they will also, you will see that they are very competitive, they are enthusiastic, they are full of providing service to someone. So basically they do take a lot of time to build in that trust which is required, but once the trust is made, then they have a lot of nature to serve someone, why they take time to build in trust is because they are people who weigh things. The pros and cons are weighs, right and wrong is weighed. We see lawyers through it, so they are very good judges. They are very judgmental, very logical people. If you tell them something, they will go by their own logic. They will not buy your point immediately. So this is the nature that Virgo ascendants have. But if we see, like, wherever Virgo is in your horoscope, so we are at that stage that if you've been following my videos, it's time that I teach you the practicality of it, because a lot of people just stick to the theories. Now today I will also tell you that how practically you can see wherever the sign of Virgo is, like if you are a Gemini ascendant, Virgo is going to be in your 4th house. So that place becomes the critical factor. Your mother is going to be very critical of you. You will observe this. That's why Scorpio ascendant people, they have a very difficult time with their colleagues. Their colleagues hate them, literally. So this is how you can see if you're a Sagittarius ascendant person, then the sign of Virgo, the number 6 is going to come in your 10th house. So your bosses are going to be extremely critical of you, but you will be providing the best service that place, because Virgos are very service oriented people. They go till the end, and because they have this competitive streak, they give it their best shot. They have that aggression. It's also an earthy sign. So if we talk about a symbol of it, it showcases a young lady in one hand she has wheat and in one hand she has fire, and she's sitting on a boat. So we can see that, you know, that innocence comes from the young lady. Since she has wheat in her hand, we can see that it's an earthy sign. Since she has fire in her hand, we see that it's a competitive sign full of fire and energy. And it has some element of water because she's in the boat. So all of this we can understand through the small symbolisms. But here, like, we can also understand it's an earth sign, you know. So it's a materialistic sign. Definitely these people do something only when they see their own profit in it. They have to gain something back from it, otherwise they will not go ahead and venture into that. If we talk about their family relations, they try to keep it very balanced. They get really upset if something goes wrong in their family, quickly upset, because they try to balance the relationship of family too much. They do their best to balance that. If we talk about their friends, they are very much connected. They are very possessive towards their friend also, you know. So they can get, I have seen people getting very much affected because they are very possessive. Like I said, they give their best shot, so they go maniac if there's something happens to their friends or their friend ditches them. They go crazy. If they are very serious on their career, they have a business mind. Doesn't mean all Virgo ascendants are businessmen, but they have that sense of business. They are natural born marketers. They are natural born salespeople. They have this sense of business in them. Marriages for them are, they want a very spiritual partner. They want a partner who has depth in him or her. They look for someone who is very mature and who has a very wide horizon in life. So that is what they look for, someone who's very open-minded, someone who likes to read, who's very spiritual. They do get these kind of partners, and it kind of balances, you know, how Virgos are. Virgos very logical, and their partners are more of thinkers. Their partners more like imaginative, very spiritual. So this is what they look for in a partner, and this is what they get also. Their lives are not very easy, but because they are very hard workers and they stick to what they do, still at the end of the day they end up what they want. So this is the kind of personalities that Virgos are. Stick to my channel for many more videos, and I'm going to cover the further ascendants over here. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Tap the bell icon as well in order to stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and take care all of you.